Hello viewers, welcome to Blue Hands Drawing. Today we are going to draw a nice vegetable. Its name is turnip. So for this one, let's start the outline of the drawing. We begin to draw from the top part. So first you start the drawing like this. It's a nice curved line, looks like a half circle. And the line, it comes to the bottom part of this one. And the same drawing, like a mirror, the curved line we can draw from the opposite side of the previous one, and as it come along it meets at the end here. We can draw a few stuffs like the roots here at the ends of the vegetable. Then on top part we do some wrinkled outlines, not so deep and dark, it's like a light stroke of the pens. Then few leaves on top, looks like this. This is our own style of drawing. So first we make the outlines, then we're going to do the details as we need. Details takes time. So we need to put it and do the drawing as long as we need. That's why we're drawing the outlines first. So two leaves are already done. This is the third leaves I'm drawing right now, and the fourth leaves will be here. Looks like this. Finally, a long leaves at the top of the vegetable, tallest of all. Alright, so this is done. Let's make few details at the middle of each leaves. There are some straight lines like this Rex. Okay. And few racks you can see here like this. Alright, so this is the basic outline. Oh, only little parts are left here. Few strokes like this for details of the each leaves. Do the detailing. Okay. Let's do some details at the bottom. Somebody is processing the paddy outside, that's why you are hearing few sounds, because I'm drawing all these stuffs in a very natural environment. So maybe some sounds can be come here in case of people working outside. It's a broad daylight outside during the winter. Many people works while the sun is still young. Sun is shining with its full brightness. Okay, let's come to the drawing. So as you see, I'm doing the detailings on the top part of the vegetables here. Few light strokes you see along the borders of one side. As you know, the vegetables is round in shapes, so only the dark sides will be along the borders, and in the middles it will be lighter, or there will be no shades at all. Okay, so this side is done. Let's do the same steps for the other side. It's like a mirror, so we're doing the same thing of the previous one. Like the previous one, we're also putting shades, and then we're going to do more details in an elaborate version. So you can see now that the strokes are getting longer. Little bit longer. also to the bottom part of the leaves, which is connected with the vegetables here, as you can see. All right, so when you draw the strokes, it likes the horizontal with the body of the vegetables here. We're going to put few details here after this. So few strokes vertical to that line by putting from one side to the end of the other side. Now I'm going to do some details for the leaves here. So the details on the leaves is almost done. Few dark shades at the bottom of the leaves we need to put for giving it a 3D effects on the drawings. All right, so this is the basic shading we have done right now. Now we are going to put some purple color at the bottom part of the drawing. So this is the basic color we are going to put right now. Maybe the shades is little more deeper at the corner of each part, and it becomes lighter as we come to the center point of the vegetables. In case of putting color, you need to put as much long time as it takes. No need to hurry. Okay, so the bottom part is almost done. Few hard strokes along the wrinkles as we drew previously here. You can see I'm putting here. Sometimes we need to do the variations of the thickness or the strokes, like it's going to be deeper or lighter. That depends on the shadings or the light falling on the objects. If you think that the side is on the darker, then you can put more shades or more colors. If you think that the sides or the place it's on the light, then you can put lighter color. So this is done for the body part. Now we are going to put the light green color for the leaves here. So we drew the sketch effect previously. Now we are going to put the same uniform color for all over the body. The young leaves, it looks light green. After some aging, it becomes little darker than the previous color. But for the detailed drawings, we can put few deeper drawing to the outlines. Let's put deeper to the outlines to separate each segment from the other one. Not all the drawing is to be accomplished in the same way as you do, but each drawing has its unique formation of colors and lights and shades. So for each drawing, you need to determine how much part you are going to put, how much strokes of depth and the details. If you like to put the vegetable on something else or on the ground, you can put few strokes with the crayon color like this, because the crayon is a thicker pencils, so you need less time to put it on the drawing. So I think the drawing is complete. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe. Next we are going to put more detailed drawings and more interesting vegetables and other drawings too. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.